Thank you for purchasing the BLM 2000 system, which can be comprised of any or all of the following: a control unit mounting bracket, a single transponder, a double transponder, a power adapter, a 1-meter power connector cable, and a 5-meter power extension cable. Prior to installation, it is important to ensure that all beer lines are thoroughly chemically cleaned, as whilst the BLM 2000 retards the growth of yeast and bacteria within beer lines, it cannot remove yeast and bacteria already present in dirty beer lines. The BLM 2000 system works in conjunction with traditional cleaning, and once free of contaminants, the BLM 2000 system will maintain this level of cleanliness in the beer lines for as long as the scheduled cleaning cycles are met and the BLM 2000 system continues to operate. Installation procedure. First, locate a suitable mounting position for the control unit. The recommended position is close to the beer lines that are going to be maintained, away from excessive moisture, and a location in which the control unit indicator lights are always visible. Secure the mounting bracket to a dry wall using the screws provided and attach the control unit by guiding the 4 mounting bracket arms into their respective slots on the rear side of the unit. Though the transponder can be positioned anywhere on the beer line, the recommended position is on the trunk line as close as possible to the wall bracket. This will ensure that there is no operational interference and will help to protect the transponder from any damage. Attach the transponder to the outside surface of the beer line, ensuring that the concave section of the transponder is in contact with the beer line. Affix using the 2 cable ties provided, securing firmly but not too tight into the channeled sections of the transponder. Transponder configurations. Each transponder can maintain 1 beer line, and in turn each control unit can maintain up to a maximum of 3 beer lines at once. For single line maintenance, the single transponder using a 3-pin plug connects to P1 on the control unit. For double line maintenance, the double transponder using a 6-pin plug connects to P2 only. For triple line maintenance, use both the single and the double transponder connecting to P1 and P2. To avoid interference and a reduction in the effectiveness of the audio signals, ensure that there is a minimum distance of 6 inches between transponders. Powering the system. The power adapter is plugged into an AC outlet, either 100, 110, 220 or 240 volts, depending on the country of operation. The plug of the power adapter connects into either the left or the right side of the control unit. Once connected to the power supply, ensure that the lights on the unit are flashing. To maintain more than 3 beer lines, extra control units and transponders are needed. Multiple control units can be linked together using 1 or more 1-meter power connector cables, and the power for these extra units is supplied by the control unit that is connected nearest to the power adapter. These photographs show the BLM 2000 system in situ. What to expect? Non-viable yeast and bacteria builds up over time within beer lines and can affect the appearance, aroma, and flavor of the beer. This non-viable yeast and bacteria is known within the industry as beer stone and usually appears in the form of brown flakes. The BLM 2000 signal properties can loosen the beer stone. After the first chemical clean, small amounts of brown flakes can be detected in the wasted chemical flushing solution. This occurrence is normal, so don't be concerned. After the second chemical clean, the presence of these brown flakes is normally greater than in the first chemical clean. Again, this is normal. Following the third chemical clean, there should be only minimal detection of beer stone within the chemical flushing solution. Important. There are several important things to bear in mind about the installation procedure and post-installation operating procedures. Beer lines should be chemically cleaned prior to the start of each new cleaning cycle. Ancillary beer equipment such as beer taps, Sankeys, keg couplers, and transfer leads, which are constantly exposed to bar or cellar environments, should be cleaned as recommended by brewery companies. For the BLM 2000 to operate effectively, beer lines must remain full at all times. The BLM 2000 operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and should not be switched off. If the control unit LEDs cease to flash, check the power source, and if the LEDs are still extinguished, please contact your distributor. For beer lines over 100 feet in length, additional transponders will need to be added at the beer tap, faucet end of the beer line. If you have any questions or comments on the BLM 2000 system, please do not hesitate to contact your local BLM 2000 distributor, who will be more than happy to service your inquiry.